I'm out in Business Bay, Dubai, where I just finished up an awesome skate sesh. Wow, guys, Dubai, they just don't stop amazing me with every little thing that they happen to do out here. Well, in this video, I want to show you a couple of cool things that I'm doing with my Amazon FBA business. I have a brand new product that's about to hit warehouses, and I'm excited because I'm going to be launching it right after Q4. All my products that I already had in Amazon were generating a lot of revenue up until Christmas, and then I noticed right around Christmas time, a couple days before, my sales pretty much just dropped off. I think that's due in part to everyone who's already done their Christmas shopping was already finished with it, and a lot of my products aren't necessarily giftable items, so that kind of played a role in the sales falling off. But I'm excited because my new product, when it comes in after Q4, is gonna have a very small amount of inventory storage fees. And that really was jacked up, especially this year in 2022. Amazon implemented some surcharges on inventory storage, as well as a gas surcharge because of the gas prices in the US. And being out here in Dubai, guys, I would not mind living out here because they were expecting their GDP, gross domestic product, basically how much money the country makes. They were estimating it to be around 6 or something percent, and now it's boosted up to like 7 something percent, and they underestimated how much money they're gonna be making here as a country. I absolutely love the law and order that they have here. Everything is clean. I literally have not seen one homeless person. And don't get me wrong, I love the US and all the freedom that they have there, but it's really just been going downhill, and that's why I needed to build myself an online passive income business. I'm gonna go cruise over to the park to do a little bit more skating before I go head over to the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. We ripped the board up today, by the way. And over at the Dubai Mall, they have the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. They have an indoor aquarium with sharks and crazy animals in it. It was a little bit lonely out here. I'm traveling Dubai all alone, but I wanted to get out of my comfort zone, and I think that's one of the most important things that you can do. You can't give up, you can't quit with anything that you're seriously passionate about. And I had a deep gut feeling that told me, Luke, you need to get out of the USA and go travel and explore the world. And building this Amazon FBA business, making online income, has allowed me to do that. And what I'm gonna be doing here now after this is spending another 5 months doing Thailand and Bali. 2 places that I'm just blown away, cannot wait to see. And after I get the worldview that I am looking for and finding myself and what I want to do going into my 30th birthday here in February and for the next 20 years of my life, I just want to get all this traveling done right now so that I can settle down and find a good place to live right after this. And after having that worldview, you know, go where you're treated best. And in a lot of these countries, there's more beautiful locations. The people, they take care of themselves and dress better. The food is unbelievably healthy and delicious. And the best part is, a lot of these other places like Thailand are way less expensive. You get a 6-course meal in a Michelin star restaurant for $38 US. So why not go live there where the beaches are amazing and everyone's happy and friendly? I mean, it's just what I'm looking to do. So what I think is a cool idea for anyone going into 2023 that's kind of lost and thinking, I'm tired of working for a boss, we're locked down, we're not locked down, mask on, mask off, all this craziness. I think it's time that you take control of your life and build some sort of online revenue income stream. Now, what's cool about Amazon is you don't even have to make videos. You don't have to show your face or anything. You can literally just do research in the comfort of your bed and find a successful product that isn't too competitive, and then you ship it into the Amazon warehouse. Amazon will give you a special warehouse destination to ship it to. You give the shipping location to your supplier and they'll ship it right in for you, or then you launch and rank your product on Amazon. I've been doing this for over 5 years, almost 6 years now, and I've built a step-by-step course that teaches people how to do this. So I really think it's a good idea, if you guys are willing to take a stab at this. And there's gonna be ups, there's gonna be downs, but that's the whole enjoyment and part of the journey. Anything that's given to you easily and handed to you isn't gonna be fulfilling. So you gotta go through the struggles, trials, and tribulations and find yourself successful on the other side. All the resources, my course, my Instagram, verified with the blue check, make sure it's that one, not any of the other impersonators. All that stuff's gonna be linked down below. So have a great rest of your day or night, wherever you're tuning in from. God bless, I love you. Peace. Peace.